Understanding the phrase, ball drop. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting English phrase, ball drop. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in different contexts. When we think of the words, ball, and drop, we may imagine a ball falling down from a height. And that's precisely the literal meaning. A ball is descending or dropping from above. In the United States, especially in Times Square, New York, there's a special tradition on New Year's Eve. A large crystal ball descends down a pole, starting at 11:59 p.m. and reaching the bottom at the stroke of midnight. This event is known as the Times Square Ball Drop, and it symbolizes the end of one year and the beginning of another. Millions of people watch this event live or on television, counting down the last seconds of the year as the ball drops. Apart from the literal and traditional meanings, ball drop can also be used figuratively. When someone says, "You dropped the ball on that one," they mean that you made a mistake or missed an opportunity. It's a way of saying that someone failed to meet their responsibilities or did not fulfill an expected task. For example, I was supposed to send the email yesterday, but I dropped the ball. Let's practice using ball drop in different contexts. 1. Literal. The ball dropped from her hand and rolled away. 2. New Year's Eve tradition. Every year, we watch the ball drop in Times Square on TV. 3. Figurative. He was responsible for the project, but he dropped the ball. And there you have it. Whether it's celebrating the new year in Times Square or acknowledging a mistake, the phrase, ball drop, is versatile and rich in its usage. We hope this video has been enlightening, and that you'll now confidently use the term, ball drop, in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.